Hi everyone, my name's Chris and I run Alpha Grafikon. Welcome to this website presentation for MetalBox remarketing. Been a bit busy, so not had a chance to get round to this one, although it is a very straightforward website, so we'll be able to run through it quite quickly. As you can see on the screen, all our websites are optimized for your desktop, tablet, and then you've got your mobile device down here. This is a necessity with Google at the minute. If you aren't mobile optimized, then they will drop you up to 27 pages in the search engines. Here we are on the home page then. So we've only got 3 pages on the home page. We've got your home page, your vehicle stock, and your content. It is better with Google to have less pages and richer content. You don't want a page for every single thing that you've got. There is a secret page, a page for the client to send out to the customer with refurb reports on. It was requested that nobody else could see this page on the website, so we created a secret page for them. The video that you can see in the background. That's a video that we created. A video at the top of your website may catch a user's eye when they first come to your site. If you do this, they may stay on your site for 30 seconds to a minute longer than they would have originally. Google sees this as you having relevant content, and it will move you up the search engines organically. Scrolling down a little bit further then, he has 2 options. You can either sell through him or buy from him. So I added these on there. If you click these, click sell, that will take us through to the contact page. Back to the home page now then, and if we click buy, that will take us through to the vehicle stock list. Scrolling a little bit further down the whole page then, we've got your about us section with his logo, and then a click to call button here. All you have to do, click that, then you're on the phone to a potential client. Jump into the vehicle stock then. We've got this at the top. This was photoshopped onto the car, but it's a nice little touch, I think. Scrolling a little bit further down, we've got the vehicle stock list. The customer uses Excel spreadsheets, as many do in the vehicle trade, and he wanted a facility to upload the spreadsheet to his website for somebody else to download. Very simple to do this. All you have to do, click download, and there we are. There's his stock list. That is yesterday's though, so he needs to sort that out. And then we've got finally your contact us page there, with the map. All straightforward with regards to this website, all done within our Alpha site editor. In case you haven't seen a previous video, it's all very simple. You will have access to this once you've had a website built, and then everything within the website is editable. You've got your widgets over this side, and these are all the widgets that we can add into the website for you, or teach you how to add in yourself. And then we can personalize, e-commerce, all the usual good stuff. So yeah, a very straightforward, quick run through. I am building like another 2 websites at the moment, so you will have some more coming through. But yeah, if you like it, subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell me what you liked, tell me what you might not have liked, but be nice about it. I'm joking. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye now.